Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll teach you how to use the pro features for free on CapCut. Normally the pro features, before you can use it you have to pay for it, but in this video I will teach you how you can use it for free. So to do this, let's go to our CapCut. So head straight to your CapCut on your phone. So once you open your CapCut, you click on this new project, that is that plus icon here, new project. Click on new project. Then it will take you to your phone gallery automatically for you to select the clip, that is the content that you want to edit for that particular moment. So I'll traverse my content, my video, to bring the one that I want to use for this moment. So once I see the video that I want to use, then I'll bring it in. So for this video I'll bring in this video, that the video I want to use. So click on add so that the video will go to your CapCut. So now the video is on CapCut. So now once you are here, you have to go to edit, then edit the video the way you want. You can use the pro feature. For example, let me go to this text, then I'll go to auto text, that is auto caption. Click on it. As you can see, it's pro features, but choose the one that you want. I'll choose this quick pro. So I have to do that. I'll click on generate so that the text will be generated. So as you can see, it's loading. Be patient as it load. So now it's 100%, it has been generated. Look at the text. As you can see, look at it, because the video is not much of 30 minutes. That is why the text just comes small. So but what I want to show you now is that if I go to save now, like if I want to export this video now, because of that pro feature that I use, as you can see, look at the pro written on top here. Because of it, if I click on export, you will discover that they will not allow me to save, because they will say I'm using the pro, you are using the following premium features. As you can see, look at it. Let me click on upgrade to pro for extra pick, and you will see they will display one amount of money for me to pay before I will be able to save this video. So look at it. As you can see, for me to use this particular feature, this auto caption, to use the premium pro here, monthly I have to pay 9,900, and for 1 year I have to pay 79,900. But I don't have that kind of money to pay, and I know you too, you don't have. So and that is the reason why you are here, to learn how you can use it for free. So having edited the video, you can add some other stuff like sticker. Let me click on sticker so you can see, like sticker, all these sticker, they are not for free, they are pro. For example, let me add this like that is reading. Like you can see, this is what people use, and you think that when they are on live video, you think that it's people who have been liking their video. No, it's animation, it's auto caption. All these things is what they are using. So but before you can use it, you have to buy the premium features, but in this case we are using it for free. So I'll add it again. So if you want this particular, let me play it, you can see how it works. You can see it's reading. And if you want it to read to the end of your video, you can click here and hold, then you drag. I have dragged more than my video, so you drag to the end of the video. Now let me play the video so you can see as the thing works. What we just added. See what we and these two things, this auto caption and this like that we just added, is pro features. So they will not allow us to save until we buy this particular premium. So for us to use it for free, all you need to do now is what? You click on, you screen record the whole video from beginning to the end. So after you screen record it from beginning to the end, you save it. Then this particular video now, you go outside from here, then you come back to your CapCut, and then you bring in the video, this particular video that you edit using the pro features. You bring in the video, you crop the video, then you now save the video. You choose the aspect ratio for your video. Look at what I mean by aspect ratio. Like this is the aspect ratio here, that is the size of the video. Is it TikTok size 9:16, or is it YouTube size 16:9? So if it is YouTube size, you choose 16:9, and you see how the size is. But for this case, I'll be using 9:16, that is TikTok size. So and that is how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for being following.